One of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's most vocal defenders and key proponents of his Vision 2030 agenda, Justice Minister Ziyambi's actions signal the possibility of his boss's removal through impeachment. Sana mna mashukabda panapa kunzi ma-issues impeachment anoratidza kuti aiwa ndo kutsviriridza panguva ino issue impeachment inoratidza kuti ndechokwadi just because of aiwa ma-actions ari kuitiwa nezvigananda these guys vari kusapota mutungamiri wenyika or who are surrounding mutungamiri wenyika nobva subscribe or like watomba bell icon tivena pano pamuzimu audanyora achiti the panic in mnangagwa scam cannot be separated from the long simmering power struggle between him and his ambitious deputy VP Constantine Chiwenga. The unease alliance dates back to 2017 coup that toppled long-term ruler Robert Mugabe, a military-led operation that installed Mnangagwa as president, with Chiwenga playing a pivotal role as commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. While the two men projected unity in the early post-coup years, tensions have increasingly spilled into the public domain. Chiwenga's absence from key state functions, subtle policy differences, and competing factions within the party point to a deepening rift. Speculation about impeachment efforts is widely seen as part of a broader campaign to resolve the ZVAITWA succession crisis, with Chiwenga believed to command significant support within the military and war veterans. His allies are said to be quietly positioning themselves to challenge Mnangagwa's bid to stay in power until 2030, a move critics view as unconstitutional and politically reckless. Addressing a ZANU-PF Mashonaland West Provincial Coordinating Committee PCC in Chegutu on Saturday, Ziyambi warned party members against aligning with what he described as outside forces and hallucinating factions agitating for President Mnangagwa's removal. His comments come amid growing panic in President Mnangagwa's inner circle as mounting signs point to disgruntled elements within the ZANU-PF who are allegedly mobilizing for a potential impeachment bid. Tomash Kwamlanjura panapa zvinzi aiwa zviitiko zvinoitika the ruling party ZANU-PF vana ziyambi mobilizations avari kuita aiwa kukavhara up mutungamiri wenyika zvinozoratidza kuti aiwa ma-issues impeachment ari kupushwa naFirebrand Bomshogeza araudza kuti aiwa anenge ane munhu pasi, anenge ane chimoto. Ngodziya mafungiro enyu noti kudii pamusoro pechitiko chatiri kuona kuti even Bomshogeza right now has called for a national shutdown on Tuesday and Wednesday. Tudziya mafungiro enyu pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.